your private robot chef. Nymble lives on your kitchen countertop and cooks delicious food for you, just the way you like it. Here's how it works. Select a recipe, load chopped ingredients into A, B, C, and D, load up oil and water, add in the right spice pods, and hit cook. Nymble takes over and drops things into the pan at the right time and temperature, just like a chef. Through the built-in camera, Nymble watches over your food, heats, sautés, and stirs, just like a chef. Checks the consistency, checks the doneness, seasons it, and cooks your food to perfection. Well, you get it, just like a chef. With Nymble, choose from over 500 recipes, get real-time updates on your mobile, eat great food always.
Alexa, set smart ice maker to small.
So excited, wanna clap my hands. I'm so excited, wanna clap my hands. I put my
Alexa, set smart ice maker to clean.
I'm so excited, wanna clap my hands.
Living in the UK is rising and it's changing people's lives.
Oh, we could fly. I'm an animal, give me a color, give me a leash. They tell me I'm in trouble, but I'm begging, give me a treat. So sweet you can call me sugar, so sick you can call me butter. Concrete, new wheels are not burning. Oh, we could fly. Oh, we can fly.
Wow.
Oh, we could fly. Oh, we could fly. Oh, we could fly. Oh, we could fly. Oh, we could fly.
Sometimes you have a tough crowd to please. Sometimes you only have one ingredient on your side. And sometimes you get overambitious with your guest list. But with Thermomix, it's challenge accepted. Turn a time crunch into a moment of inspiration with more than 80,000 recipes. Turn family recipes into new memories. Turn your expectations into success. Cut fruits and veggies. Easily adjust portions. Enjoy over 45 cooking functions and modes, and even peel effortlessly. It's time to wrap up. Gather around. Reveal your delicious dish. And turn tonight into something extraordinary. Because with Thermomix, you don't just cook every day. You create wow every day.
Today, my mood is red.